Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so give me a second here. So I am going to start a new project right now. I'm still going to finish the Kopesh. It's just I need to wait for my next pay to actually finish it. Shit there. So, yeah, how it is. So anyway, I went to Bathurst on Saturday. Hey there. Forget this is a 3-day. This was a 3-day long weekend. I know, right? Anyway, so this is what my uncle gave me in my grandmother's garage. It might have been a giant's knife. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah. Comment if you want to guess what this is. I'm thinking a plane turbine. You know what I mean? Or maybe a lawnmower blade. But this is a fucking huge ass knife. Hey, and my Uncle Kip wanted me to see if I can make a katana out of this. Well, it didn't have to be, out of this per se. He just wanted me to see. He just wanted to see if I can build a katana. So we shall see. If I can build katana out of this. Alright. So yeah, that's gonna be a holy fuck. Man, that is a huge fuck off knife. And I'll just look. Yeah, so visiting my grandmother in Bathurst was great, don't get me wrong, but oh Lord, it was just hard to see, but it is what it is. So I got a little bit of time here, so I'll show you what needs to be done on the Kopesh and why it's going to take me a bit longer. Because I'm just going to get my belt sander here just to kind of thin out the devils here a little bit. I did pretty well with my grinding off wheels, but I think it'd be a little bit better if I did it with a belt sander just to make it a little bit better, Then I'm going to get myself a brass pin, snack that in there. Get one of the boards around here, just slap on a handle, should be good to go. So yeah, and probably another grind off wheel just to make it pretty, how it is. But yeah, no, this came along very well, but I needed to do something a little different. Oh, okay, right now. Oh, it's not a warp, but it's got writing that down. Okay, cool. Anywho, but yeah, so we'll see how this test's gonna be. So this is gonna be about maybe Sunday coming up, maybe Monday, maybe after I go to work. We'll see. Some of the shiggles of it though. There. It's just to make the hole a little bit neater, There. There. Just so I'm not fucking pounding that and have the piece of go wee 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 wee. No. Alright. So I'm just going to put this right here on my clamp. On my vise. I haven't been smoking fucking pot yet. All fucking ready. Yeah. Oh shit, that is a fucking... Like, that is thick. That is so much goddamn steel. Holy shit. Okay, so, yeah, this is just going to be part 1, just to tell you what the fuck I'm doing. Because honestly, I might take, 5 or 10 minutes just to fucking, heat up there. So, yeah, I'm just going to probably just get my joints and just fucking, and, just kill some time. Alright, peace.